We're going to be updating the DSP firmware for a US version of the hybrid storage inverter. This is a 10K with an internal sun-spec transmitter, as you can see. The first step is to get your laptop out, plug a USB flash drive in it. You're going to open up some kind of window where you can go down, right-click on the flash drive and format to FAT32, hit start. Okay, format complete. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to take your two files for DSP. It's going to be 28062 API and 28062 APP, both .bin files. Actually, you can take, at least if it's a Google Chrome file, you can take the .bin out of the name. Anyway, and then you're going to drag and drop both files. Right click, hit eject. It'll tell you it's okay to eject it. Then you can pull the flash drive out and put it inside of the firmware update stick. So I got the flash drive in the firmware update stick now. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug it in to the COM port of the inverter. It'll come on green and red, and that's exactly what you need it to be on. So then you come up to the inverter, you hit enter. Go to advanced settings, down, down, up, enter, all the way to software update. You go to DSP update, hit enter. It'll show you the current version, 07. So you'll hit enter, and then what you'll do is you come down and press the little button on the back of the update stick. One little click, you'll see the green light flashing rapidly. So what's gonna happen now is if the update starts to take, the green light will start flashing slowly. And if the update doesn't take, the green light will go off and you'll be left with just a solid red light only. And on the inverter, you should have a slowly flashing operation light. So when the update's finishing, the green light will actually stop flashing. The operation light will continue to flash for a little bit longer. And then the green light, as you can see, will come back on, solid. And then you can now get ready to check the firmware version to make sure that it did indeed take. As you can see, the operation light will continue to flash a little bit longer. So you go into DSP update, still 07, and it'll show that until the operation light stops flashing. See? So operation light no longer flashing. Actually gonna back out and then go back in. Now you can see it is updated from 07 to 08. So the DSP is successfully updated. You can now remove the stick and either put the cap back on or plug in your data logger. In my case, I'm going to be putting the cell stick back in and securing it. And you're going to want to give this cell stick between 5 and 15 minutes to begin reporting to Solis Cloud once again. But other than that, the update is complete. You can now exit all the way out. Don't hit enter when you're at that DSP update, or you'll try to run another update. So just escape all the way back out and you're all done.